Couple weeks ago, I decided to post some new Instagram images with my lock screen setup, and thousands of you liked the post and wrote me on how to get it on your Samsung device. So sit back and watch how it's done. Head over to the Galaxy Store and get the Good Look application. Inside it, click the Lock Store module. The key of this setup is the clock that I moved in the left side. It's pretty simple to do, just hold the clock widget and move it to the left side. To make the setup look even better, move the notification section right under the clock. Beside that, we can customize the color, style, and size of the clock. When you complete all this, click Save and lock the phone to see the result. By the way, there's a bug that appears if you change the screen resolution, so when you do it, repeat the process from the beginning. The lock screen setup is great, but you can do even more by checking out this playlist full of tricks and tips for your device.